I'm sure you've heard the news. Growing your own food is the way to go. And what better place to start than with lettuce? Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of home gardening, starting with the superstar, lettuce. First up, let's talk types. There are four main kinds of lettuce: leafy, romaine, butterhead, and crisphead. Leafy lettuce is perfect for quick salads, while romaine is that crunchy delight in your Caesar. Butterhead has soft, sweet leaves, and crisphead, like iceberg, is super crunchy. Why grow your own lettuce? It's fresher, tastier, and packed with nutrients. Plus, it's easy on the wallet and great for the environment. No more plastic packaging or trips to the store for your greens. Now let's chat about the growth cycle. Lettuce loves cool weather, so plant in early spring or autumn. With just a bit of sunlight, water, and care, you can harvest in as little as 30 days. Start with seeds or seedlings. Keep the soil moist but not soggy, and watch your lettuce thrive. Remember, happy lettuce means happy salads, so grab your gardening gloves and let's get planting. Your fresh, homegrown lettuce is just a few weeks away. Happy gardening!